Tutorial 5, Controlling Precision with Phrases and the AND connector. In this tutorial, we'll talk about two simple but powerful techniques that can make your Google searches much more precise: phrases and the AND connector. Part 1, Using Phrases. Sometimes two or more words belong together, like medical devices or autonomous vehicles. To keep Google from separating them, always put the phrase inside quotation marks. For example, searching for autonomous vehicles in quotes ensures Google looks for that exact phrase, not just any page that mentions autonomous and vehicles separately. Part 2, How Google uses AND. By default, Google connects every word in your search with AND, even if you don't type it. That means when you search healthcare and medical devices in quotations along with innovation, Google is looking for pages that mentions all the words in each returned document. You don't need to type AND, but if you want to, make sure it's in all caps. Part 3, Putting it together. For the cleanest, strongest searches, position your phrases in quotation marks. Assume Google is using AND between each keyword unless you specify otherwise. For example, healthcare and medical devices in quotations and innovation will yield results where all three are mentioned in the returned document. In closing, using phrases in the AND connector keeps your results focused and relevant. Next up, we'll unlock even more powerful searches by combining AND and OR for layered logic.